Seems like Umpumelelo is jealous of Terelo. No way, guys. Let's get to story of today. You know, the rest of the house is Samana Peace and Vosele. Welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thanks so much for joining me. So don't forget to subscribe, so like, comment. Happy Sunday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Anyway, guys, Umusamseleko, Umpumelelo and Terelo finally meet up to discuss the future ya Terelo in Muzumbe, guys. For those who don't know, what Terelo, guys, she's currently a student. She's busy with her exams right now. As I'm speaking to you, she did post on Instagram account saying, oh, good, I know a lot of people are saying, good, hi, Terelo, you're not doing anything with your life. Can't Terelo, guys, she's currently busy studying BCom accounting. So, guys, Umusamseleko and Spindi. So, Umusamseleko, he's saying to Terelo, I want this boy to show progress. And Umpumelelo went on to say she must move in Muzumbe. Guys, first of all, maybe Terelo, she's in UJ or UP, you never know. So, Umpumelelo wants Terelo to move in Muzumbe. Kanjani, because Terelo, she's currently studying, guys. Umpumelelo seems like he's jealous of Terelo. On the trailer, Terelo end up saying, Umpumelelo, and then you will be building that home alone. You can tell Umpumelelo is not happy telling Terelo, you're gonna do whatever I'm telling you. So, guys, in order to get amalobolo ya Umpumelelo, guys, there's a lot of things that you need to do. You even have to drop out just to be lobolo by Umpumelelo, guys. It's totally unfair. So, in the trailer, we can see what they are busy talking. We're gonna find out tonight what they were talking about, because they're just showing us few things. Obviously, they're not gonna show us everything, guys. So, guys, it seems like Terelo, she's not happy. Lento yagothi yena uzohlala eMzumbe. She has a life. There are things that she needs to do. She cannot stay in Mzumbe and do nothing. That is totally unfair. So, guys, not wait to watch Izingane Tembo season 3 episode 3 tonight on Mzansi Magic at 7 o'clock, guys. Anyway, guys, it is what it is. Don't forget to subscribe.